एलिमेंट्स को सॉर्टेड ऑर्डर में प्रिंट कर सकते हो, दैट इज थ्रू दी फंक्शन सॉर्टेड, राइट?
Yes, sir.
लेकिन कीप इन माइंड ओरिजिनल टपल में चेंजेस नहीं होंगे, दिस इज अ थिंग.
So that means data type remains tuple.
Data type will remain tuple. nahi, when you print this sorted of t, this will get printed in the form of a list. When you print this sorted of t will print in the form of list. But when you print
Okay, sir.
after this, if you print again t, sort करने के बाद फिर से t print करोगे तो again it will be in the form of tuple and the same elements as that you have created in the tuple, वो sort नहीं होगा. ठीक है, दिस फंक्शन सॉर्टेड ऑफ टी विल डिस्प्ले जस्ट फॉर एन इंस्टेंस कि चलो ठीक है, we'll convert this into a list and then we will sort the elements. Right now the first question says that you have to accept three numbers and you have to insert at the end of a given tuple t1, but you will be taking a default t1 tuple. ठीक है, हम t1 tuple लेके चलते हैं. चलो suppose this is my t1 tuple. What you have to do is you have to take three numbers from the user and you have to end them at the end. Now the condition, the thing is कि भाई we are not allowed to append, there is no append function or extend function in the tuple, in the tuples. We have seen that we cannot add or delete some elements from the tuple. Then how we can do this thing?
By concatenation.
By concatenation. By we already have seen the operator that we have
Yes.
three operators: concatenation, replication and membership. So concatenation will be the operator that will be used in this thing, okay, to add the elements. Please try it. And the second one says that suppose you have a tuple like this, okay, the elements of tuple are like this. What you have to do is you have to convert this tuple into a string. Okay, you have to convert this tuple into a string. Hurry up, write these two programs right now and then we'll discuss.
So can we add list in tuples?
Add list in tuple, huh? Why not? But we already have seen an example कि a tuple can contain a list. See, the example was, okay, this is an example where list, see 1,7, this is a list which is an element of a tuple. So yes, a tuple can contain list as well. But you just have to keep in mind one thing: you cannot use append, extend functions in tuples. But there's one more thing. But you have the way to convert a tuple into a list and a list into a tuple. You have that way. By suppose I want to convert a tuple into a list. How we can do that? Tuple to list. So now I have a tuple like the same elements. Let me take the same elements. Right now, what if I convert this into a list? So I will simply write L1 equals to list of t, and if I print this, L1 will get printed like this. So I can convert a tuple into a list using the list function. Similarly, I can convert a list into a tuple using tuple function. If I want to convert list into a tuple, so suppose this is my list and I'm converting this list into a tuple, so it will be simply converted. So if I print t, so t will print it like, you can convert, you can there's an interconversion between a list and a tuple, even with a string as well.
Okay, sir.
One more concept of packing and unpacking of a tuple. Let me tell you that also. So packing and unpacking of a tuple. Creating a tuple means packing. So I have written this statement. So this is packing. Unpacking is, how many elements do we have? We have 4 elements here. So I'm going to do like this: A, B, C, D equals to T. This is unpacking. But if I print values like this. So this unpacking says that each element, that is 2 will be 2 will get stored in variable a, 4 will get stored in variable b, 5 will get stored in variable c, and so on. So if I print a, will be printing 2, this will print 4, this will print 5, this will print packing. This is packing and unpacking of a tuple. This is again quite important. You can get any of the you can get a question related to this to find the out. Please write this down in a notebook. And then after that, we'll back to the question. We'll back to the program. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, great. Now back to the program. Please do these two programs. Till then, I'm giving you some more questions. Do them.
Sir, could you scroll down? Thank you, sir.
Yes, students, done? Please tell me whether you have done it or not.
They're not done yet.
So I've done first, but so I guess it's wrong.
Okay, you're guessing it's wrong. Okay. Shall I write the first one? Let me write the first one. I'm writing the first one. See, let us take a main tuple. Suppose the elements as we already had taken. Suppose this is my default tuple, right? Now, what I need is I want to accept three numbers from the user. Let me take an empty tuple as well. Let us ask the user to enter three numbers. So for I in range, we'll be taking the number. So LE equals to element equals to int input enter the element, right? So we will taking the element from the user, and what we are going to do is we are going to add this element in this t tuple. We have taken an empty tuple. What we have done is there's a main tuple with us. We have taken one more empty tuple and we are concatenating the element that is being entered by the user in that particular tuple. After that, once we have taken all the three numbers and we have stored that in a tuple small t, what I'm going to do is I'm going to concat this thing with my this t1 main tuple, because I already have told you that concatenation can only be used with a tuple. So in this case, what I have done is I have taken the element. See, you can do one more thing. Instead of taking an empty tuple, instead of taking this empty tuple, you could have directly written t1 equals to t1 plus le comma. That is also correct. This is also correct. You could have written t1 equals to t1 plus le comma. Then also it will be doing it will do the same work. Now also it will do the same work. So this is the program for the first one, the code for the first program.
So if we want user to input the numbers of tuples, then
So here user is only entering the elements now. See, or you're talking about the default tuple.
yes, sir.
Or instead of this, you could have written eval input enter the tuple. Simple. I mean, instead of that, you could have written like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts to anyone in this program? Please tell me. Please tell me if anyone
Sir,
has.
instead of using range function, we can also take the element from the user one by one.
So that is only I have done ना. वही तो काम हो रहा है मैंने यहाँ पे. See, instead of taking, आप कह रहे हो कि सर आप loop मत लगाओ, right? हिमांशु, you want to say loop नहीं लगाना?
Yes, sir.
बेटा आपको फिर उसके लूप अगर आप नहीं लगाओगे तो ये जो स्टेटमेंट्स है ना, ये जो दो स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, ये दो स्टेटमेंट्स आपको 3 टाइम्स लिखनी पड़ेंगी. मतलब हर एक
Yes.
ठीक है ना, समझ गए? ये टोटल 6 लाइंस आपकी ऐड हो जाएंगी इसके अंदर. So no use of that.
Sir, we could also just directly use the unpacking feature like it or like a comma b comma c is equal to eval, and then we could input the 3 elements and then we can just add it to the tuple.
Now do one thing, share your screen what you want to say. Just wait a minute, I'm making the presenter. We'll see what I want to say. Okay, Manav, you're a presenter now. Yes, Bhavya.
Sir, I want to ask how many chapters we will be getting or topics we will be getting for IUT?
You will be from which date your UD will start? In the month of January only, na?
Yes, sir, probably. So
Uh-huh.
we'll be getting dictionaries also.
We'll be getting 3 chapters in the UD list, tuples and dictionaries.
Okay.
Yes, Manav.
Yes,
Okay, what you have done is you have written like this. Same thing, Manav, same thing.
Yes, I was talking about that only. It reduces a bit more lines.
Same thing. Okay, the second one. Anyone who has in the second program? Wait, anyone who has done the second program?
So can concatenation work on string?
Concatenation works on string, dear.
Sir, within the tuple. So because mine is not working. And it is saying that concatenation works on tuple.
See.
Yes, sir.
See, I'm writing. It is book. This is a tuple. Suppose I have taken an empty string. I have taken an empty string. Now we'll traverse the tuple and we'll concat this. We'll concat the elements one by one. We'll access the elements of tuple one by one and we'll concat them with in a string. And after that, at the last, we'll print this string. Simple. If you want me to execute this program in ideally, I can do that. Wait a minute.
Sir, I tried to access the list like T at the place 0, like element B, and then I added the rest of the list, which is T from 1 to 4. So it will
Kanak, one second, let me try this program. It is working, see. See, it's working. The screen is visible. See. So this is the program that I have written. Okay. So we have a tuple, empty string, traverse the tuple, accessing each element and concatenating in a string. At the last, we are printing the string. So see, it is book. And if you want to see that whether this string, whether this S is of string type or not, so yes, you can do that. Just print the type of S, you'll get to know that okay, it is of string type only. See, class str. Okay, it's of string type. Right, Kanak?
Sir, can you explain this program again?
Sir, but concatenation won't work on string within the tuple, right?
Within a tuple.
Yes.
What are you doing, Kanak? What are you doing? Please show me the code. Wait a minute. Making you the presenter. Let's see what code you have written. Okay, Kanak, you are a presenter now. Please show. Kanak, please share the screen.
So wait a minute, sir. Let me connect the charger.
Okay.
Sir, is it visible?
It's visible, dear. What you have done this? Type error can only concat tr not tuple to str. Okay.
So this means it won't work on string within the tuple.
See what you have done is you are accessing an element. ठीक है? See t of 0 से क्या आएगा? T of 0 से b आएगा. B in the form of string. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
स्ट्रिंग आ गई. अब स्ट्रिंग के साथ आपने किसको कंकैट किया? आपने एक टपल को कंकैट कर दिया एक स्ट्रिंग के साथ, क्योंकि t of 1:4 1:4 से क्या पिक होगा? 1:4 से एक टपल आएगी. आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि आप जब स्लाइस करोगे तो वो टपल टाइप का ही आएगा स्लाइस तो. लेकिन जब t of 0 आपने एक्सेस किया तो वो एक स्ट्रिंग आएगा, क्योंकि b जो है वो एक तरह का कैरेक्टर है, स्ट्रिंग है. तो आप कर क्या रहे हो? बेसिकली आप एक स्ट्रिंग के साथ एक टपल को ऐड कर रहे हो, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल. कि आप देखो कंकैटिनेशन ऑपरेटर का सिंपल सा रूल है कि कंकैटिनेशन ऑपरेटर सिर्फ सेम टाइप के साथ यूज हो सकता है, डिफरेंट टाइप के साथ यूज नहीं हो सकता.
Okay, sir.
What you have done is you are concatenating a string and a tuple, which is not possible. You can concat string, you can concat tuple. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
So this is the program for the question number 2. Doubts in this question? Please tell me.
No, sir.
Write the third one. Tell them, let me take the attendance as well. Akansha Sharma. Akansha.
Yes, sir.
Arav Liwal.
Yes, sir.
Arav Sharma. Agnish. Surya. Agnish present. Is Agnish there in the class? No, no. Aishwarya.
Present, sir.
Akshita. Tomar. Anshika.
Sir, can you show the screen?
1 second. Here you are. Okay, we have our next program. Everyone, please do the third question. Then you, those who have done the third program, third question, we'll be doing the fourth question. It says that you have to write a program to remove a number. Number will be entered by the user, and you have a given tuple, so you have to delete a number from the tuple. Now again you will say, sir, we cannot delete a number from a tuple because tuple being an immutable type. Okay, so what we can do? Good morning. Deep.
So do we concatenate the slices of tuple in this one? Like we slice it excluding the number which we want to remove, and then we can concatenate them into the tuple.
The method that I was thinking about is, we'll be converting this tuple into a list. We'll remove the element and then back to the tuple.
Okay, sir. So, but like converting it to the list, so doesn't it like defeat the purpose of learning about tuples?
It won't. It won't do it. Because we know that tuples are of immutable types. No?
Okay, sir.
But what are you thinking? You must be thinking like we'll find the index of that particular element. We'll slice the tuple from there, and then again we'll concat this. And after removing the element, we'll again concat. You're thinking about
Yes.
this. Try. Please try. देखते हैं क्या करोगे? Please try it. No issues. Please try. Is there anyone whose attendance I haven't taken? I think no one else is there. I've taken attendance for everyone. Okay.
Sir, done.
Done? Okay, dear. Chalo students, will continue the next class, Anna. We'll continue with this in the next class. Goodbye, take care.
Thank you, sir.
So can you send last question?
Yes, Vanshika, yes, please tell me, Vanshika.
Sir, can you please send fourth question on the WhatsApp?
Fourth question. Sure, why not?
Thank you, sir.
I'm sharing this notepad file on the WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, goodbye.